Hello and welcome to Poseidon Tech. I'm Theo and this video is for all of you that you are looking for a training drone. This is Syma X11 Hornet. Let's see what is inside that box. First of all, the instruction manual. The drone, its size is ideal for indoor use. It has 4 gear-driven propellers, a propeller guard, and LED lights on the bottom. A 2.4 GHz remote control. A USB charger. One battery. And 4 extra propellers. In order to fly, we must first charge the battery, so we connect the battery to the USB charger and the USB charger to a PC or a power adapter. I will use my iPhone charger. The charging time is about 70 minutes and the flying time is about 5 minutes. In the charger there is a red indicator. During the time of charging, the red indicator of the USB will be on, and when the battery is fully charged, the red indicator will be off. Now, let's put 4 AA batteries to the remote control. Before we go for flying, let me explain you the remote control buttons. This remote control can operate in 2 modes. First, Mode 1. The left stick up and down can make the drone fly upward and downward, and left and right can make the nose of the drone turn left and right. The right stick up and down can make the drone fly forward and backward, and left and right can move drone to left and right side. Now let's see the trimming buttons. The left group of buttons, left and right, can fine-tuning the yaw. For example, if the drone keeps rotating to left or right, you can correct it by pressing the left-right fine-tuning buttons. The up and down buttons are not used in this version of X11. The right group of buttons, left and right, can correct the drone when it keeps flying to left or right side. And up-down can correct the drone when it keeps flying forward-backward. In the center of the remote control is the on-off button. In the upper left corner is the switch of high-low speed. And in the upper right corner, the 360 flip button. Now, let's take a look at Mode 2. The difference with Mode 1 is that the left stick, left and right, can move drone to left and right side, and the right stick, left and right, can turn the nose of the drone left and right. Of course, there are changes into the trimming buttons. Left group of buttons, left and right, can fine-tuning left and right side, and right group of buttons, left and right, can fine-tuning the yaw. In order to change from Mode 1 to Mode 2, with the remote control powered off, press button A and then by keeping pressing it, press the power on button. At last, let's see the reset function. This is very useful when we want to reset all the trimmers. Again, with the remote control powered off, press button B and then by keep pressing it, press the power on button. Okay, enough of the talking, let's get ready to fly. Connect the battery to the drone. Then power on the remote control and move the left stick up and down. As you can see, the blue LED eyes of the drone stop blinking, so remote control is successfully connected to drone. Before every flight, it's good to make an auto-level calibration to avoid drone flies to a side when starting. This can be done by turning the left and right stick to the lower right corner. The eyes of the drone will blink for seconds and it's ready. This was my first drone before Mavic Pro, and it helped me a lot in order to understand the control of a drone. It is very steady despite the wind, and believe me, it's windy out here. Now let me show you how to make the 360 flips. While pressing the upper right button of the remote control, choose direction of the flip with the right stick. Finally, my thoughts for Syma X11 Hornet are that it is a very good drone to start. Mode 1 of the remote control is similar to Mode 2 of the Mavic Pro, and I have to admit that I enjoy very much playing with it. I have also to give you two tips. First, you can fly it more easily when you are behind the drone, so as the eyes of the drone looks forward. Second, avoid flying outdoor with wind because you may lose it, especially if you fly several meters above the ground. If you liked my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video.